Well, this is exciting to see this many people from our community wanting to get involved in Business Development Week. You know, it's been a past couple of years have been tough. There have been economic challenges, but we're really excited that we're seeing hints of encouragement, that we're coming out of this, and together we're going to improve the economic development status of our community. We're also going to make sure that we improve the quality of life and business here in West Pasco.
It is my pleasure to introduce you, Doug Van Dyke.
My mother did a great job crafting that introduction, and Candace, you did a great job reading it, so thank you very much. Pleasure to be here today. Typically, we remember about 10 to 30% of what we read, 10 to 30%. About 20% of what we hear. Here we are, smart people, a bunch of smart people. 20% maximum are we going to remember of what we hear, right? And then 70% of what we experience. So, for instance, if we want 100% of a verbal message, and so many messages are sent verbally, aren't they? We talk about them, we craft our words, we think about our words, but yet 20%, not more than that, is going to stick. So how many times do we need to repeat that? Well, about 5 times. About 5 times. I call this power of 5. I wanted to talk a little bit about leadership style. So we have communication that sticks, we have integrity, we have some personal effectiveness, driving change, but different leadership styles. Oftentimes, we're in leadership positions because we can get along with people. You know, we're kind of amiable, we get along with people, they sort of like us, and it's great. I didn't have any, leadership training or experience per se. I became a leader, and I led by the seat of my pants and by personality. Does that sound familiar? That's how most of us get into leadership, right? And the coercive style is, many of you know those people, right? They're out there, they're breathing our air. Good, okay, so the coercive people is, it's their way or the highway. The visionary leader says, this is where we're going, all right? This is where we're going. And then number 2, they say, and this is why we're going there. This is why we're going there. And then number 3, this is how you fit into the journey.